Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are new to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, and share. So, before I go ahead with this Euro GBP for this week, I want you to know that we are now offering a 40% discount on our Patreon channel. As a lot of you have actually reached out to me that you would love to join the channel, but you would love to get it at a discount. Now, we are now offering a 40% discount which will only last for 2 days. I want you to know that it will only last for 2 days. So the link to the discounts channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will get it at the 40% discount. Remember, it is going to last for 2 days. And one of those trades we actually took last week, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys on the channel. So once you check the channel, you'll see it. It is good. I mean, gold gave us about 200 plus pips, an amazing pips we actually grabbed on gold. So this week we'll be looking at more trade on the channel. So if you're interested, you can sign up. The link will be in the comment section. Remember, these discounts will only last for 2 days. Now back to this analysis on Euro GBP. We all know that this is kind of like when you want once you see a double top, you all know that it is a reversal movement. I mean, be it a double top, a double top, triple top, or double bottom, triple bottom, or head and shoulder pattern. That is a reversal movement. So this is exactly what Euro GBP has given us. We saw price came here a drop, it has come here again. So now that this Euro GBP has come, you've seen it come to the same level. You can see that this level is actually a key level. So we've now gotten this correction. So personally, I'll be expecting Euro GBP to actually drop more again. We can't also dispute the fact that Euro GBP will actually continue to go bullish. But right now, I am still seeing Euro is falling. I mean, when you compare your Euro USD, I really would still be expecting more fall on Euro USD. So that is one of the reasons why I'll be expecting more fall on Euro GBP. But now have it in mind that we will be expecting some major news on Monday. If we check it right, that news, it depends on how, but it's one of those news. I think we'll be expecting major news on GBP also. So it depends on how that news will comes out. If it comes out negative, if it does not come out well on GBP, note that GBP will fall, thereby making euro to go bullish. But if it comes out if it does not come out well on GBP, GBP will have to fall, making euro to fall. But if it comes out fine on GBP, then guess what? GBP will go bullish, thereby making euro to GBP drop more. So we need to watch out for the news on Monday. From there, we can now predict more movement. By the way, I'm going to give you guys an update. This, I'm just telling what price is very much likely to happen. Pay attention to what will be released on Monday. Then it is there that we will now determine more of these movements on Euro GBP. Basically, we are going to cover more on it on the Patreon channel. It is very, very simple. If you're interested in trading, all you just have to do is get the 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. The link to the channel will be in the comment section. Like I said, pay attention to the news, then the news will now determine the movement. And I'm also going to give you guys an update on this Euro GBP.